Welcome to City Grill. My name is Rob Ford. This episode is about filet mignon on the grill. I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to pan sear the filet mignon, but I'm going to season it with something called Dano's original seasoning. Plus, I'm going to use mayonnaise like I've done on a pork chop, but I'm going to do it on the steak just the same. You could do this with any steak. I just happen to have this filet mignon. You sometimes are on sale, and I fillet them myself. I have my filet down here, and I'm going to use this Dano's seasoning on the steak first. And I'm just going to coat this really well on this side and the other side, just like so. I'm going to use my hands here, get a little bit messy in here, rub that in. Of course, flip them over and do the same on the other side. Just get them seasoned really well with this seasoning. Then I'll take my mayonnaise, got it out of the fridge here. I'm just gonna coat one side of here pretty heavily, like that. Same with this one, like so. Save a little mayonnaise for once we get out on the grill to do the other side, all right? So I have that ready to go, so let's go to the grill and start pan searing these. Okay, so we're out on the grill. I'm gonna take my filet and flip it upside down. Listen to that. Nice sear, look at that. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna let that cook on there for a couple minutes, maybe 2 minutes. I'm gonna watch it. You'll start to see a little bit of a gray happen down at the bottom of that meat. And that'll be perfect. And then I'll flip it back to the other side. In the meantime, as I'm waiting for that to sear up on the bottom, I'm going to take some more of my mayonnaise, paint it on the top of my meat, just like so. So when I get ready to flip it, it's all ready to go. All right, it's just been a couple of minutes. I'm going to flip it over. Ooh, wow, look at that. Nice crust on the top of that meat. That's exactly what I'm looking for. That flavor is all locked into that meat right now. Do the other side another 2 minutes, and then I'm going to stick it inside the grill and finish cooking. All right, it's been another few minutes. Oh, the bottom looks just as nice as the top, so I'm going to place it in my grill. I've got a medium-high heat in here. I'm going to cook it at least 7 minutes on one side, and I'm going to flip it 7 minutes on another side. I'm going to try to get this one medium rare. I have a few others to cook, but I'll try to get one medium rare and the other one probably medium for other people in the family. So now that I have the meat done, what I like to do is take some portobello mushrooms, or any kind of mushrooms really, and saute them in that sauce we just made, so to speak, with the mayonnaise and a little bit of butter in there. Clarified butter works nice too, but in this case, I can actually turn off the heat and just let that pan do the work for me with these mushrooms. And it'll soak up all those flavors, the seasonings. That's going to be so good. And what I'll do is go ahead and move this into the grill with the meat and keep it on the cool side of the grill. Okay, it's been 7 minutes. Cooking these at about 350 degrees inside the grill, and look at that. Wow, that looks good. Oh, beautiful. These are going to be good. That's that mayonnaise in there, getting a little more charredness from the grill. This one I want to get kind of well done, or this one kind of medium. I'll bring it over here. It's starting to feel a little more firm than this one. This one's starting to feel really nice medium rare, so just give it maybe 5 minutes here. Okay, it's been another 5 minutes. I'm gonna check on everything, and I do the squeeze test. I know this one's more done, and I expect that. I'm wanting that for my wife, and this one's either mine or my son's, and I think this one's gonna be for me, because I'm starving. And I have some garlic baked potatoes. You can get that recipe at citygrilling.com. I'm sure I have done that video a long time ago, but these are delicious if you like garlic. Let's take this inside and go ahead and slice this meat and give it a try. All right, so I got the meat in. I fixed up my plate here. If you take a look, I got some nice vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, this garlic baked potato, which I love doing these. If I don't have that video, I'm gonna have to make one, but I'm pretty sure I did. I have my mushrooms And the final check here is this piece of filet. So I'm gonna cut into it. It looks really nice. Yes, a nice medium rare. That's exactly what I'm looking for in this piece of meat. Now I gotta try it, right? I'm gonna cut off a little piece here. Give it a taste with that mayonnaise and Danio's seasoning. Soft, tender, because that's a filet, right? The Danio's is very good with this. I'd recommend it. Yeah, the pan sear with the mayonnaise works very well. Keeps the meat juicy too. So give it a try. Again, use it on any steak. Does not have to be a filet mignon, right? Do a strip steak, whatever, New York strip, porterhouse. It will turn out great. Use whatever seasonings you want on it, but the mayonnaise does work. Works really well. Get the recipe at citygrilling.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See ya.